up.
So what's your message to Donald Trump?
Don't try to buy Greenland. You can't do it. It's not for sale.
We are going to do something on Greenland, whether they like it or not. One way or the other, we're going to have Greenland. I would like to make a deal, the easy way, but if we don't do it the easy way, we're going to do it the hard way.
Frustration is growing here in Greenland over Trump's comments. So much so, the political leaders have issued a joint statement saying they don't want to be Americans, they don't want to be Danish, they want to be Greenlanders. So I've come here to meet with locals to see what they want to happen next.
What should I say? It's horrible.
How do you think Greenland politicians should respond?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe slam on the table and ask him to stop. It is horrible to feel that they want to use the power, the military power, and we don't have any power at all. We do have a little bit from the Danish side, but it is not enough.
1% maybe say, oh, let's get dollars here. But if you look in how they treat local people in Alaska, and if you transfer that to here, we have a lot of social problems. And if they transfer the American way to treat people, it will go really bad, really, really bad.
I feel uneasy. I think we all do. We want to develop our own future. This is our own land and culture, and we are people. We just want to do it of ourselves, other than being big powers making all the decisions for us. We just want to try to do it ourselves.
So there's a real feeling of uncertainty here in Nuuk. There's a sense that whatever happens next might be decided in boardrooms by people who will not be immediately affected by the decision. The overwhelming response I've got from the people I've met here is that Greenland is not for sale.
I want Greenland to be Greenlanders and nobody else country, Russian, China and US or any country. Just keep your hands off Greenland.